The Vestax VCI-380 is an exciting new DJ controller co-designed with Vestax for Serato ITCH. This is an incredible piece of hardware with a lot that sets it apart. Logan from Serato will give us a quick run through some of the main features. The first thing you will probably notice is the performance pad section above each platter. There are 8 performance pads, all lit from below with RGB LEDs in 7 colors, which look and feel amazing to hit. There are 5 performance modes, which include the traditional hot cue, auto loop, and loop roll modes. As well as these, you can press auto loop twice to enter saved loop mode. This allows you to recall up to 8 different pre-saved loops in your track. Pressing shift and hotkey takes you to the SP6 sample player, where you can trigger your samples and loops. This contains 4 banks of 6 sample slots. You can move between banks using the 2 bottom right performance pads. The sample player is great for live drumming in your sets, adding interesting samples and stings, or just layering loops over your tracks. The VCI-380 also has the slicer, a powerful performance tool that chops up a section of your track and lets you rearrange parts on the fly. In slicer mode, press a pad to play the relevant slice from the song. Slices will trigger and loop in time with the track. You can also press the slicer button again and slice your track within a single 8-piece section. Using the shift button and the needle search strip above the performance pads allows you to change the size of each slice. By just using the needle search strip, you can also change the play length of each slice. A very special feature of the VCI-380's performance pad section is the pad effects. Due to the velocity-sensitive pads and aftertouch, the pad effects allows you to use any of the performance mode features while controlling an effect at the same time, all with one finger. For example, Logan will select a low-pass filter for his pad effect and enter loop roll mode. Now when he triggers a loop roll, he can use the low-pass filter and adjust the depth of this using the pressure of his finger on the pad. The VCI-380 has a dedicated effects section for each channel. To select an effect, hold Shift and twist the effect select knob. You can turn the effect on with the Effect On button below and adjust the level with the depth knob. To change the effect parameter, just twist the effect select knob. As well as being an all-in-one DJ controller, the VCI-380 is also a standalone hardware mixer, which you can connect your mics, turntables, or CDJs to. To switch between ITCH and an external source, just flick the switch from PC to mixer. You will see the waveform for the deck you have switched turn gray, which indicates it's in use. When in mixer mode, each effect's depth knob becomes a dedicated filter for each channel. That sums up the newest and most exciting features of the Vestax VCI-380, available now for Serato ITCH.